So today is the day we finally install the ceiling. I'm going to be using the same cedar western wood, 6 inches across, 12 feet long. I measured the total distance from front to back. It is 137.5 inches. And so I cut one piece out. I'm going to use that board to trace the rest of them out and cut probably about 8 or 9 boards out. I'm going to start working my way from the exhaust fan, and I'll just go forward from there and then backwards from there. And I'm going to hope that it ends up lining perfectly up at the side. And if not, if there's like an awkward gap in the middle, I'll probably just get some molding and fill it in separately. But the hope is that I can just fill the corners in with the same kind of wood so it looks uniform. But we'll see how it goes. Main priority is just to make sure the fan looks even and clean. So let me show you how that looks. So the ceiling is finally put in place. I'm happy with how it turned out. It's actually very easy to do. Went by a lot quicker than the walls did. I finally got to close off the van. It was like the second thing I ever did in the van, so it's nice to finally get that completely finished. I just started from the inside, worked my way from here, and went back. The outside's right here. Unfortunately, I couldn't finish it off with the wood pieces, so I'll just get some molding corner pieces and fill its bottom over there. Not a big deal. And it's gonna be behind the cabin space too, so I'm not really concerned about it. I will say the hard part with this is I just eyeballed it from the bracket comes out right here. And I just kind of eyeballed it where it would be. But there are some open holes in the bracket, and every now and then you will go through that hole and the screw won't catch. So it's kind of like a guessing game at some points. So that was the only frustrating part, is just figuring out where it would be secure. But it held up, it's solid. I ended up using just some shorter pieces right here to fill in the final part behind the wall. And then the rest is perfect. It looks uniform, it's solid, it's gonna hold up. The last step is just gonna be finding the corner piece to fill it in, and then just screwing in the light bulbs right here, or the LED light strips. And that's it, ceiling's done. So that's it, guys. Straightforward, a lot easier than the sidewalls to figure out. Up next, just either the solar panels or the bed frame. But moving along full speed.